Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Here's a quick update on the progress of the figs. In particular, I noticed this Breba fig here on the Ischia Black, UC Davis. A couple of days ago it started turning color, was swelling up and started changing color. And if I can reach over here, you can see the size relative to a quarter. So maybe 5 more days, week. And here's another one I just started noticing. It's starting to swell. It has a little tinge of color on the top left. Here's the size. It's got a little color here. And here's the size of the main crop figs in comparison. I don't know if that leaf's in the way there. I think I got a better shot on another branch over here. It has 2 Breba figs opposite each other. Let me get that one. So in this branch here you can see some main crop figs, and on the bottom there's 2 Breba figs. And I'm pretty impressed with this Black Madeira. I don't know, hit the jackpot with this one. It's just growing like crazy. It's more than 2 feet of new growth on that. And the size of the leaves they're huge. And here's another Black Madeira, started from a cutting last year, and here's the size of the figs on that. There's a couple of figs. And in comparison, this only has about 4 inches of new growth. Now this is the Ponte Tressa fig tree, and I actually have figs on it this year. A little small so far. You can see there, size of the fig. Got some on this branch too. Yeah, they're all over the fig. Now the Galicia Negra, there's no figs on this whatsoever. I have it in a small pot. And this is my Black Madeira. This here is Zingarella, size of the fig. Black Madeira. This here's the UC Davis Col de Dame. They're just pea-sized figs on here. So UC Davis, this is actually from 2013. I started from a cutting Black Madeira. There's the size of that. Another Black Madeira here. This is a little more promising, a little bit larger. I have it out here in this corner. They get a lot more sun. And that looks like a relatively small pot, but that I might up-pot that into something that large on the right. That is an Italian 258, which has a couple of good size figs on it. Should have repotted this a while ago, but it's doing okay. And another Black Madeira with some pea-sized figs on it. Nice dark leaves though. This one here, definitely UC Davis Black Madeira. Lot smaller leaves. But it's producing figs. Sort of a bush-shaped. But my attention is on this Ischia Black Breba fig here. That'll be the first fig of the season. And I'll make a video on this when I pick it and take a look inside. We'll weigh it, and then hopefully this one here will soon follow. But yep, looking forward to the Ischia Black being the first fig of the year. This is New England Gardening. Thanks for watching.